In this video, we want to solve 5 sine squared minus 4 sine plus cosine 2x equals 0, where x is between 0 and 2 pi. We have an equation that has 2 sines and then 1 cosine. So we're going to rewrite cosine in terms of sine, so that this equation only depends on sine. Cosine 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared x. So we'll substitute that in for cosine 2x to get 5 sine squared minus 4 sine plus 1 minus 2 sine squared equals 0. We're going to combine like terms. We only have 5 sine squared minus 2 sine squared as like terms. That turns into 3 sine squared minus 4 sine x plus 1 equals 0. Now at this point, we can solve using the quadratic formula, or we could just factor. So this is optional. We can make a substitution, let y equal sine, to get 3y squared minus 4y plus 1 equals 0. So for this, we can factor this into, 3y minus 1 times y minus 1 equals 0, to get that y is 1/3 and y is 1. Or you can use the quadratic formula. And so if y is 1/3 and 1, that means sine has to be 1 and 1/3. Well, sine is equal to 1 only at x equals pi over 2. And then sine equals 1/3 in both quadrants, 1 and 2. So this part right here represents the arc sine of 1/3. And then this angle over here is going to be pi minus arc sine of 1/3. And the reason is because these two angles right here are congruent. They have the same y value. So these are the same. So if this entire thing is pi, then we're just going to subtract arc sine 1/3. So the final answer is going to be pi over 2 arc sine 1/3 and pi minus arc sine 1/3.